The Dominican Republic is already feeling the business impact of Tropical Storm Melissa, as heavy rainfall, utility outages, and mass closures ripple through the economy. Government offices, non-essential private businesses, and schools in 9 provinces were ordered closed to allow for precautionary measures and evacuations. More than 500,000 water customers are reported to be without service after dozens of water supply systems failed as the storm's outer bands moved in. In the capital, Santo Domingo, traffic disruptions and downed traffic light underscored the physical infrastructure vulnerabilities as businesses prepare for potential flooding. The broader impact on business operations is already being felt, with major institutions shut, thousands of workers are idle, supply chains may face delays, and local retail and services sectors are operating under reduced capacity. Utility disruptions compound the risk for manufacturing and export-oriented businesses, which depend on consistent power and water. While no large-scale flight groundings have been publicly confirmed at this time, the continuing closures, infrastructure strain, and fluid storm path raise serious concerns for tourism, export logistics, and foreign investment in vulnerable provinces.